Guys, ready for some good drone shots? Let's go get them. What's going on, everyone? Check out that sunset. Thanks for coming on a ride with me. I'm going to be reviewing the Brozz and talking about it and dirt biking in general and what I think about it and it compared to the KLX and all kinds of fun stuff. And oh my gosh, when I get back I got to tell you guys about the drone experience and just filming that little tiny piece that I just did. It was crazy. But that's one of my favorite things about motorcycling. The views is beautiful, and this is just a minute or two away from home, and I'm gonna go romp through this field for a few minutes. You guys can ride with me if you want. We'll throw it in the GoPro and show you what it feels like in the Brozz. But yeah, I'm having a great time. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on this awesome content, and I hope you guys love the drone shots with it, because oh my goodness, this is a lot of work. But yeah, I think it's time to get back to it. Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to the garage. Thank you so much for watching, and I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about what I have in store for you. I definitely am going to do a video of my first 10 impressions of this here bike, which is the Brozz 250, an awesome dirt bike, and you can get it brand new for $2,000, and we're going to be comparing it a little bit to the KLX, which is kind of like the name brand Kawasaki equivalent, and it's about 3 times the price. I got some new boots, some other cool things, but mostly we're going to do some more drone flights, and this was my first little taste of what it's going to be like, and wow, it's a lot more challenging to do it yourself when you're riding and flying the drone, so that's something that I'm definitely going to master, and you know, I hope you guys are along for the journey because it's going to be a good time, and there's a lot to do. I think I almost hit myself a few times with the drone, but I was feeling extra brave since I had the extra head protection on, and yeah, we're working on just getting gear. I want to do a jersey. We got some merch coming soon, some really cool things, so just definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I want everyone to be a part of this, and we're gonna do some really cool riding, so this is just the start of it. And as you can already see, I have the bike taken apart behind me because I have just been having a heck of a time with that battery, and I already had a few close calls of being out in the middle of the desert and kick-starting the bike, which is not fun, and something we can talk about later, just the differences in what you get for your money and some things that you gotta kind of do yourself and be your own mechanic, and what I think about that. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think below. Thanks again so much for watching. Enjoy the last few videos of seeing this bike stock because I have some really big plans for it, and it's gonna just look completely different and hopefully be much faster. So we're gonna do a few more stock videos and then get onto that. Till next time, hope you all enjoyed. Peace.